What you doing?
A pan in the dishwasher's making a cool rhythm.
So you're not on any drugs at all. This is just you.
I do take a multivitamin.
Are you snorting it?
Who needs a drummer? I got a Maytag. Can I get your opinion on something?
Sure.
A song out of the Sounds of Our House.
Cool.
It's called Sounds of Our House.
Clever.
That's the dishwasher. Vacuum. Front door.
This is actually fun.
I'm actually fun.
Is it Cece?
She got the solo.
So, what's your question?
How great is this?
Pretty great.
I know.